The Internet works by connecting your device directly to servers. But sometimes you don't want to connect directly. That's where a proxy helps. SOCKS5 is a proxy protocol. Think of it as a smart middle step. It sends your traffic through another server before reaching the Internet. Unlike a normal HTTP proxy, SOCKS5 doesn't just handle websites. It works with everything. Web browsing, streaming emails, games, even torrents. With SOCKS5, you get 3 main benefits. First, better performance because it doesn't change your data. Second, more privacy because websites see the proxy's IP, not yours. And third, flexibility since it supports both TCP and UDP traffic. That's why we built FlashProxy. Our proxies make SOCKS5 simple, fast, and secure, giving you more control, more privacy, and more freedom online. Simple, flexible, powerful. With FlashProxy,